Okay, I wanted to make this video for you guys for how I get a rope up in a tree. And this is without using a throw ball. This is just throwing how you throw a rope into a tree. And so you start off, you know, have your rope flaked out. I got it semi-flaked out, flaked out good enough for what I'm going to do. And it helps if the ground around your feet is kind of clear. What you do is you start off making some small coils. So you can make a little figure eight here. I got my figure eight video, the reason why the figure eight coil is the best. So you make a little bundle like this. And the smaller the bundle, the more aerodynamic it is. And then, so I'm making my little bundle. I take a bite of rope, put it through the head like that. And then take another bite and put it through that and snug it up. Then get yourself about, depending on how high you're going to throw, get at least 5 coils in your hand like this. I got 6, so I got plenty. And you want to have the rope free at the base of your feet so it can move freely. You don't want to be standing on it or anything. So I got this rope in my hand right here like this. I got it in my hand like this so it'll pay out off my hand in an orderly fashion. This is going to come off here. This one's going to come off next. This one's going to come off next, and so on. So can you see that? You got that in the frame. This along here. So I got my bundle right here, and I got this free rope in my hand here, about 5 or 6 coils, and it's organized in such a way that it won't tangle. So I'm gonna go up over this limb up here. Go ahead and focus on that up there. You got that? So you just takes practice throwing this, but I just throw underhand like this. You got me in the frame? So I just swing like this underhand, and then you bring this hand up and let the rope pay off your hand. Okay, here we go. And then what this coil does, did you see what that did? So what happened was that little bundle that I made, that little bundle, because it just comes apart. So when I let go of it, this loop that's in here of this bite just comes out, and the thing just came down. So it went over the limb and then came down, and I was able to retrieve the other end of the rope. No problem. Okay. Now here's another little trick I'll show you. I want this rope a little bit higher up on this limb. How do I get it up there? It's creeping down. See how it's creeping down on me? Because I've been fiddling with it. Can I watch this? And there's another trick you can do. See, I got it to go up about 2 feet. Is if you take the rope like this, see this circle? I'm going to make a circle, and I'm going to throw it like an overhand throw, like behind my head, like an overhand whipping action. So it's a circle. I'm making a circle, and the circle's going to go up like that. Now it moved up about 2 feet, and that's about where I want it. That'll work.
Do it again.
Okay, I'm going to do it again. Yeah, and show it up there at that angle. Now I got it almost all the way to the tip. Okay. So now I'm going to put a running bowline on here, which is basically you go around the other rope and then tie a bowline. That's a running bowline is just a bowline that captures the other end of a rope before you finish the bowline. Truss the knot. And I'm going to try to pull at this angle so it doesn't slip down. It's going to slip down a little bit on me. Try to get it up there. That's going to work. So I got the end up there. I knew it would slide down a little bit. That's why I wanted it as high as I could. It's really high up there. Okay, keep the rope free at your feet so it can fly up there if it needs to. Got my bundle here. I got my free rope in my hand. Let's see if I can get that. That was close. Okay, I'm gonna try one more time. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. The higher it is, the more difficult it is. I used to work for this one tree service, and there was an old man. He was 70 years old and he still climbed trees. In Sacramento, his name was Al Aubin. I think he was over 70. He was still climbing when he was like 75 or something, and he was in a country western band. But he always threw his ropes like something out of the old sailor movies. He would always throw them like this. He throws ropes overhand like that. Like not, I'm doing an underhand like softball throw, like I'm throwing a softball. But he would always throw them like whoosh, like a side hook type of throw. And he was accurate, and I've tried it a couple times and I've gotten it, but it works good for high throws. I'm gonna make this work. Now I'm gonna throw a loop up there. See if I can get it down. Put a wrap around this big Doug fir tree. It's got plenty of thick bark, and we'll swing that around that way. Lower it slowly. All right.